Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Lexus key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Having a clean, well-lit area is crucial to avoid misplacing any tiny components during the process. Most Lexus key fobs utilize a CR2032 battery, which is readily available at many stores. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and keep your key fob functioning perfectly. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by pressing the small release button on the side of your key fob and pulling out the mechanical key. This reveals a small slot or notch where the key was stored. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twisting motion, you can begin to pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up, usually the positive side. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery from its clips. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side, often marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Press it firmly into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all the internal components are properly seated. Press the halves firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Then, slide the mechanical key back into its designated slot until it locks into position. Now, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle to confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.